Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Samsung Galaxy A26 5G smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. Sometimes if you will swipe down from the top of the phone, then it will open your control center, and sometimes it will open your notification center. It gets confusing sometimes, but let me show you how you can do that correctly. So if you will swipe down from the right side of the front camera, then it will always open your control center, and if you will swipe down from the left side of the front camera, then it will open your notification center. You can use all the application in split view and in pop-up view, but you have to enable the feature firstly. Let me show you how you can do that. Open your settings, scroll down and then select advanced features, click on labs and then enable multi-window for all apps. Come back, select multi-window and then enable these three features. Now whenever you want to use split screen from any of these applications, open that app and then swipe up by using two fingers like this. Will open it in split window. Now select the second application. As you can see, you will be able to use any of the application in split view. Now if you want to use pop-up view, there's a gesture for that as well. Open that application and then swipe down from the corner like this. It will open it in floating window. You can drag and drop it anywhere, and whenever you want to close it, tap on this and then click on this cross button. In your app drawer, if you want to disable these two pages or you want all your application in a single column, then click on these three dots, select sort and then select alphabetical order. Click on OK. Now it will disable that second page and bring all your application in a single row. You can use circle to search feature to search anything whatever you have on your screen. So this feature can be really helpful for you if you're a student or you're a fashion enthusiast, because you can search anything while scrolling your social media application. Let me show you how you can do that. Simply tap and hold the middle button like this, then it will enable the circle to search. Now circle the object you want to search, then it will directly search it for you on the Google. As this phone comes with One UI 7, the control center is a little bit changed from the previous versions, but if you want to enable the previous one or the older one, then click on this edit button, click on panel setting and then select together. Then it will disable that new one and then enable the older one. But you can fully customize your new control panel. Let me show you how you can do that. Firstly, set the new one, and now you can change the order of these panels. You can also set how much panels you want on your control center. After this, click on done. So you can fully customize your control panel. You can fully customize your locked screen and make it look really cool. To do that, tap and hold on the locked screen and then select the clock. Here you can change the clock style. You can even change the color and font of this. You can change these quick access applications. You can also add your favorite widgets on your locked screen. And then click on done. So that's how you can fully customize your locked screen and make it look really cool. If you like to read ebooks or articles in your smartphone, then you must enable the next feature. Open your settings, select display, scroll down and then select screen timeout. And then enable this keep screen on while viewing. So it will keep the screen on while you are looking at it. So don't have to keep on tapping on the display to keep your display on. If you want to increase the lifespan of your phone's battery, then enable the next feature. Open your settings, select battery and then enable this battery protection. Here you can change different modes. At maximum, it will stop charging your phone at 80%. At adaptive, it will also stop charging at 80% while you're asleep and then switch to basic before you wake up. At basic, when your phone is charged to 100%, charging will stop until the battery level drops down to 95%. So you can use any of these to protect your phone's battery. If you want to change the order of these three navigation buttons, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, select display, scroll down and then select navigation bar. Here click on more options. You can change the order of these buttons, or if you want to set swipe gestures, then select this. Now you can go back like this, open your recent application like this and jump to your home screen like this. If you try to take a screenshot by using your 3 fingers, then you won't be able to do that. But there is a different gesture. To take a screenshot, you have to use your palm and then swipe to the left like this. Then it will click a screenshot. You can also use the volume down button and power button obviously to take a screenshot. If you will double press your power button, then it will launch your camera application, but you can customize this action and set your favorite application for this. To do that, open your settings, scroll down and then select advanced features, select side button and then tap double press. Here you can set any of these, otherwise click on apps and then set your favorite application. Now whenever you will double press your power button anytime, then it will open your YouTube application. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use the next two features to protect your eyes. Open your settings, select display. The first feature is dark mode. If you enable this, then it will turn all the whites into blacks. So this will decrease the pressure on your eyes. The second one is eye comfort shield. If you enable this, then it will warm the color of your screen a little bit. You can also change it to adaptive or custom. This will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. So you can use these two features if you use your phone at night a lot. You can make a dual of any messenger application in this smartphone. Open your settings, select advanced features and then select dual messenger. It will show all the applications which are clonable in your smartphone. Enable the app you want to clone, click on install, click on confirm and then click on next. Again click on OK. It will take few seconds. After that it will make a dual of that application. As you can see, I have 2 Facebooks now and I can log in with 2 different accounts in the same application. This phone comes with a lot of AI features, so if you want to know how to use them and how exactly many features you have, then open your settings, select advanced features and then select intelligent features. Here it will show all the intelligent or AI features you have in the smartphone and how you can use them as well. You can also change the color palette of the smartphone or UI colors. To do that, open your settings, scroll down and then select wallpaper and styles, select color palette, enable this. Here you have different options, select your favorite one and then click on apply and then it will change the UI color as per your selected color, as you can see. If you use your phone with a single hand a lot, then you can enable the next feature. Open your settings, select advanced features and then enable one-handed mode. Now to enable one-handed mode, you have to swipe down from the middle bottom like this. Then it will open the one-handed mode. Now you can easily use your phone with a single hand. You can also change the sides like this. Now if you want to exit this, then click on this empty area. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Samsung Galaxy A26 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.